Hello and welcome at this today. Today we're going to. Well, I'm not sure what it is. It's not in. It doesn't have a service head code at the moment. Its head code is 1Z99. As course, as we're at home court as well as just down the line, near Copy Pit, a freight train has broke down. And I'm wondering if this is the service train, as that signal there has just turned yellow. So I'm not sure which ways it's coming and not. I know there's a train coming from Accrington, and then the freight train is down that line down there. As here is 195, 195. At some very slow speeds. As that was just the service train. As I think that is replacing a corn train. So there it goes now. Now it's going very slow down the line. I'm not sure what is going on today at all. So yeah, I'll keep an eye out, as I think it's stopped. Yeah, it looks like it's stopped down the line. Wait, no, it's still going, I think. I'm not sure if it's stopped or not down the line. Yeah, it's going at very slow speeds down the line there, as you can see. I'll just keep on further updates. As we're going to have a class 70. A class 70 is now coming down the line. Coming at some very fast speeds. Coming to collect the Lindsay Oil Refinery. Running for Carlos Rail has gone to go and collect the Lindsay Oil Refinery down the line. What is going on down there? That is my question. As it said on Railcam that there was something wrong with the train, something to do with something slipping at Kingston Tunnel. Anyway, that will be it for today, as that was 7803 and class 195 coming by. And I hope to see you again soon. Ta-da!